At Iskraemeco, we consider sustainable development principles in every aspect of our production and engineering processes. Manufacturing at Iskraemeco contributes to sustainability by integrating responsible practices that not only reduce environmental impact but also address the cause of poor quality. By optimizing manufacturing processes and using energy-efficient technologies, Iskraemeco reduces its energy consumption. This aligns with the company's goal of carbon neutrality and minimizes greenhouse gas emissions, particularly in line with Scope 1 and 2 targets. Through lean manufacturing and continuous improvement initiatives, Iskraemeco minimizes production waste and defects. One such initiative was the Digital Twin for Digital Lean project. Digital twins allow us to test and validate optimal production parameters virtually, leading to better quality control and resource utilization. This ensures that materials are not wasted on defective products, reducing the environmental impact and costs associated with excess scrap, rework, and repairs. While water usage in production is minimal, Iskraemeco ensures that any water-related processes are efficient and aligned with sustainability goals, further reducing potential costs from inefficiency. We are now able to track consumption of electricity, nitrogen, and compressed air by different production lines. This gives us a real-time insights to optimize energy use per specific product. It's a huge step forward in managing our resources more responsibly and frugally. Workstations are designed with ergonomics in mind, ensuring a comfortable and safe environment for all employees. With a target of zero incidents, Iskraemeco is committed to maintaining strict health and safety standards, protecting nearly half of our workforce in production roles. To ensure that our team feels valued and motivated, we recognize outstanding performances by naming a Best Production Employee every 3 months. This acknowledgement is accompanied by a special reward that promotes their well-being, as we believe their dedication deserves recognition. At Iskraemeco, we are committed to sustainable manufacturing that not only enhances operational efficiency, but also reduces environmental impact. By continuously improving processes, optimizing resource use, and prioritizing employee well-being, we ensure that our production lines operate responsibly. This approach strengthens our ability to deliver quality products while contributing to a more sustainable future.